My name is Jeff Besola. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Softing Incorporated, North America. Well, I'd like to talk about tManager specifically. This is a device, as you can see, it fits in the Rockwell chassis for the 56, and it's a device that allows them to communicate from the OT floor into the IT network or the ERP. So if you need to communicate from a PLC and get information to do some analytics, what have you, you use this device to do it. You see other programs out there that take 2 weeks of programming or software programming, and then you might have a bump in the night anyway, and you still got to go out to the plant and fix it. With this device, once you set it up, you set it and forget it, and it just keeps working away and never stops. It's bi-directional, so you can send information from that PLC up to the ERP, and you can send recipes back down, for example. It does track and trace, it does store and forward, so if you have a power outage, it continues to hold the data until the power comes back up and then transfers the data. It sits in a Rockwell chassis in a 56 and it communicates over the backplane. So you have zero firewall issues, you're behind it. It's very secure within the Rockwell system, so you don't have to worry about data breaches, etc. We also make a CompactLogix version, which is a vampire module, so it needs the power supply from the compact, but basically it does the same thing, and it communicates via Ethernet ports in the front. We also have one that's an IPC-based model, so that if you want to talk to other things, for example, you have no room in the rack, you can do a DIN rail mount, and you can communicate to competitive PLCs as well. We've been partnered with CED for probably 30 years. CED has been selling this device ever since its inception.